I have a bird getting ready to jump on my head. Again. There she is. I love you. Oh, that's beautiful. You just singing to your mama. I love you. You said I love. Mama, fix this old feather. It's from jumping on my head. Okay. Thank you, baby. Oh, and then I get my eyebrows done. Oh, come here, Mommy, a scratch. Look at that little one on my shoulder. Oh, she takes care of her, Mommy. Oh, little sweet little bird. You give Mommy a kiss? No kisses from Mama. Guess my eyebrows not clean. Oh my goodness, yeah. Poke my nose out. You're a good girl. You take such good care of your Mama. Lily. Where's Lily? There she is. Hi, baby. Can I kiss your baby toes? Oh, well, thank you. I'll take that. Oh, that's a good kiss. I'll honk your horn. Oh, where's Lily's horn? Huh? Where's Lily's horn? Honk, 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 honk. You honking your horn? Huh? You honk that horn? You want to honk your horn? Honk your horn. Where's Lily's horn? Huh? Where's Lily's horn? Oh. You're mean. You see, Sissy, honking Mommy's... you poked me in the eye. You poked me in the eye. Please don't chew my rings. Please don't chew my rings and give me a kiss. Can Mommy kiss? That's a good kiss. Thank you. Sissy don't want to kiss. She likes you singing to her, but she don't want to kiss. No bite. I got that on film. I got that on film, you biting me instead of kissing. You better stop. Stop. I know it itches. Mama's scratching. No bite. No bite. If you bite her, you're going to get a whooping. Dang it, baby. You're funny. How about a kiss? No, not Sissy. Honk your horn. Honk, honk, honk. No bite. Oh, see that? I got that on video. I got that on video. There's proof that you're a little devil in disguise. Clemmy, you gonna sing to my... Ow, you bit my ear. No bite. No bite. No bite.